unpacking the phrase, dispose of, master its use in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the depths of the English language to make it easy and fun for you to learn. Today, we're unpacking a very common but sometimes confusing English phrase, dispose of. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but how to use it like a native speaker. So, let's get started. Dispose of is a phrasal verb that can be used in several contexts. The basic meaning is to get rid of something, especially by throwing it away or by carrying out a specific action. It's important to note that when we use dispose of, we're often talking about something we no longer need or want. For example, please dispose of your trash in the bins provided. The company had to dispose of the old printers. But dispose of isn't only about trash. It can also mean to deal with something in a definitive way. This can be anything from completing a task to defeating an opponent. For example, she disposed of the matter efficiently, leaving no loose ends. The chess master disposed of his opponent in less than 20 moves. In legal and formal contexts, dispose of can take on more specific meanings, such as to transfer property to someone else, or to make a decision about something in an official capacity. For example, he disposed of his assets before moving abroad. The judge will dispose of the case promptly. It's easy to misuse dispose of if you're not careful. Remember, it implies a certain finality or completion. Don't confuse it with dispose alone, which can mean to arrange or order things. Incorrect. Dispose the papers on the desk. Correct. Dispose of the papers in the recycle bin. Let's practice with a few sentences you can try on your own. How would you use dispose of in these scenarios? 1. Talking about an old car that no longer works. 2. Describing how you concluded a difficult project at work. 3. Discussing how to handle a legal document. Pause the video if you need time to think, and then we'll go over them together. Thank you for watching. We hope this video disposed of any confusion you had about the phrase, dispose of. Practice using it in your daily conversations and writing, and you'll soon master its use. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.